Hey Laura, I'm going to show you that there is one way that you can add a due date to a discussion. And we may want to do this in the future, so I might do it to the master. Just we'll see what you think about this. So basically, you take and add the discussion that you want. So at the end of module 1, say I'm going to add the discussion here. So it's going to be discussion for module 1. And this is the only way I've ever found to be able to do this. I'm just going to say create in the discussions form just so you can see what this looks like. And then, so now I have a discussion for module 1. Once you have that, like in the content, then all you have to do is go to content. And these steps are over here. So the content, go to that discussion for module 1, and then you click edit properties in place. Okay, and once you edit properties in place, you just click on add dates and restrictions, and there's a place. I don't add a start date on mine, but I do add a due date. So that's where you can do it. And I'll just make this one the 14th of June at midnight or whatever, 11:59. And then I hit update. So that's the way to do it. So let me know if you think this would be a good idea. So like you were telling Vincent, if you have just a regular discussion and you go into it from the discussions, then you cannot edit the due date. But if you put it in as a piece of content, then you can edit the due date. So if this is something you think you want me to do in the master, for the online courses, just let me know and I can do that. I can just rearrange that for next semester where we can do that with them. So I just wanted you to let you know that it was able to be done, and I believe I probably learned that from eCore because they have them in the content section of the courses. So just wanted to let you know. Let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.